Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sell crypto in your Trust Wallet account. For that, make sure you have the application and you enter the password before entering to your Trust Wallet. Now at this home page, you need to simply tap on Sale option. And here you need to choose the networks or the crypto. Here you can see various options. If you don't find the option, then you can simply tap on the search bar and search for it. For this video, I will go for BTC Bitcoin. After you enter the amount, you can also see the conversion at the downside. After you are done entering it, at the downside you can see this option. You need to tap on it and you will be proceeded further to sell your crypto account. But currently I don't have enough balance, so I won't be able to sell it. But this is how you can sell crypto on your Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.